Welcome back to The Blend. Back to school time. You know, it's a great time to think about your child's teeth. From braces to checkups to losing that first tooth. Boston Dental Group is your place for friendly, gentle, and convenient dental care here in Las Vegas. And here to tell us about their 12 state-of-the-art locations is dental hygienist Afton Pratt and regional manager Bridget Fly. Hello, guys. How are you?
Good. Good.
So let's talk about parents, their kids. When should they be bringing their child to the dentist for the first time?
Usually you see parents bringing their kids in, like we say, about 1 year, 1 year of age, and that's considered early, some people think, but the main idea is to get them comfortable in the dental chair so you can perform so that they're not anxious, they're not scared to come to the dentist.
Absolutely, because otherwise, you know,
yeah,
oh, you've only heard
out.
things. Yeah, exactly. There's certain technology that's out there, like sealants. What are sealants and what do they do?
Well, sealants are thin pieces of plastic that we place on the chewing surfaces of the back teeth, because usually you have grooves that are deep and food and germs get stuck in there and can cause cavities. So when you have that protective coating, you avoid fillings, crowns, and things of that nature.
Now, what about fluoride? Is fluoride really necessary? Is it safe? Or?
Fluoride is safe. It's naturally occurring in water. It is naturally occurring in Nevada water. However, a lot of people are drinking bottled water nowadays, and also so usually if you go to a pediatrician, they'll recommend maybe like a fluoride supplement for children to take because it helps strengthen their teeth as they're developing.
Now, have you heard of early childhood cavities? Like, I hadn't had any until literally like 2 years ago. It was my first cavity score. I wish I never had it. How early can cavities pop up?
As soon as the first tooth, you can have a cavity, because what you see and sometimes is parents will let their children sleep with a bottle of milk or juice in their mouth, and that sits on their teeth all night long, and then next thing you know, they have tons of cavities in the morning, or not in the morning, but you know, over time. So it's recommended that you, even when they're babies and they don't have any teeth, that you wipe the gums with like a towel or like a gauze, just to make sure you have any milk residue or juice residue off their teeth.
Gotcha. Now, Bridget, I know you offer several different services at Boston Dental Group, right?
Yes, we offer, besides general dentistry, we offer orthodontics. We also offer oral surgery and pedodontics.
And you're actually orthodontics. When would be a good time to match your child up with an orthodontist?
Well, usually it depends on the child's growth. Some people, you know, some children grow at different rates, and also it depends on the doctor's own philosophy. But usually you see braces on children around from 9 years of age to 12 years of age.
Gotcha. Now, the biggest problem about getting anyone to the dentist, especially your kids, you're going to work, all that stuff, is the operating hours. You guys you have great operating hours.
Yes, we have locations that are open 7 days a week.
That's phenomenal.
Yes.
So during the weekend especially, get your kid in, you don't have to worry about rushing home from work and making all that stuff.
Absolutely.
That's great. How many locations do you have right now?
We actually have 12 locations now and growing.
Where in the valley are they? Or?
They're all over the Vegas Valley.
So it doesn't matter where you are.
Yeah, from north to south, yes.
Excellent. Now, we are in back to school. Back to school offers are everywhere. Shirts, paper. Do you guys have back to school offers?
We're definitely no exception. We have some great back to school offers, including $500 off on braces.
Excellent.
Then, as Afton was saying, with the sealants, we're offering 2-for-1 sealants. And then for our new patients, if they do treatment the same day, we'll offer 20% off that treatment.
That's excellent. And then for Morning Blend viewers only.
Morning
Blend
viewers.
We want to give them a little inside.
We always do something a little bit special for the Morning Blend viewers. So today, we're going to offer buy one, get one free on children's cleanings, and that's for children 10 and under.
Gotcha. Now,
yes.
When it comes to kids, I was never taught to floss when I was young, and it's something I still am trying to instill in myself today. How do we teach our kids how to floss at such an early age? Is there a special way, or?
Well, just from infancy, like if the parent is usually cleaning their teeth already, like I stated earlier, they usually have like little holders you can find at the store that a kid can hold on to and just practice, you know, like a little floss holder, like a little floss pick, and just get started there. And then from as they get older, you can, and their motor skills develop, they can do better flossing.
Now, there's the water picks as well. What are your feelings on those?
Messy, but I mean, they
messy.
work.
In the hands of a 5-year-old, that could end up everywhere.
Yeah.
What's the going rate with the tooth fairy nowadays? Do you know?
I have no idea.
Does that news ever come to you?
My kids get about $2 a tooth. I think that's probably kind of low.
That's a good rate. So say it again. So yeah, we had a little girl in last week. Mother gave her $50 for one tooth.
Wow.
Can someone explain this? That's all. I just wanted to see.
I'd
I
be
just want to
skipping
know.
down the street if I had $50 in my pocket. 5 years old.
And then maybe you could save enough money from Boston Dental Group where you can give your kid 50
There you
bucks.
go,
Boom.
yes.
There we go. Made it all come together. Thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Boston Dental Group has 12 locations, soon to be 13 in the Valley, and they're open nights and weekends as well. For hours, just visit the website or call the number on your screen. They're also on Facebook and Twitter, and you'll be smiling big in no time. All right, still ahead.